Welcome to Mobile Electronic Diagnostic. Today we have 2011 E-Series, which is X5, 2011. The engine computer was no good. We are trying to use a used engine computer. Can we put a used engine computer? Yes. If you are able to read the information from your own computer and write it back into the new computer, use one, and then after that you do SN encoding and program it. If the part number is the same, it will work. For example, here I'm using AutoHex. Actually, I try to do it. It's a BMW software expire. I have to pay $700 to renew it for 1 year. Here is the older BCM. Here is the wire. You have to connect ground, and then you have the can high, can low, and also another lines like two can high, can low, which is here. You see these two wires here, 2 power, 1 ground, and then another also communication line. Now you're gonna come here, connect this one. You have to connect power sources to get 13 volt, USB here. Now you're gonna come here, and here is AutoHex. There is AutoHex and there is HexProc. HexProc they use for tuning and programming and swapping computers. So I'm gonna go to this one, double click on this one here, and you're gonna wait. This AutoHex is power up. After you have it, if the subscription finish, it will not do nothing. So now what you need to do, go to BMW, double click on it, and now you see the USB is connected. The voltage is 13.4. Now go on bench, double bench, and then go to on bench SCN, double click on it. Here you're gonna choose F series, E series, G series. This car is E series. You open here, scroll down to this computer is NVD 17.24. 17.24. Hold on, please. Check the part number and see what engine computer you have. E series right now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and guess what? After you click here, you're gonna choose the one you want it, which is this one. You need to read the DME DDSK and the working hours. Also, before you go further, click on this wiring diagram. It will give you where the pins are, where you're gonna get the pins. If you go down, you see here is the pins. 1, 2, 3. Number 1 is power. Number 22 is power. See here, number 1 is power. Number 22 is power, and number 43 and 44 are what? Those, like low can signal and high can signal. And then number 43 and 44 again, no, 43 only, and 18 or 16, this is CLK1, CLK2. Now, as soon as you finish here, you have the information ready. You're gonna close this, or you can drop it down. Also, if you wanna know the connection, you can come here and then click on this one to show you the diagram here. If you are not able to read it, it's not opening, no problem. Copy it, save it in a desktop. You see here, I save it in a desktop somewhere. You see here, and it will give you more clear what pin, what you need to do. Okay, I'm gonna close this. I'm gonna open my car here. Now we're gonna read. If all the connection is okay, it will read. It will populate the SKU here for NVD 124. So let's go now. I'm gonna read it. Take your time. You see it's coming in a few seconds, unless if there is a problem. If it's not, yes. You see now, I have the working hour 6680, and this is the numbers. So what you need to do is save it. I already saved it here. This one I already saved it, MVD. What number is that? 24. This is original. So I'm done. So now the next step is to go and take the other engine computer, which is here from the junkyard. You're gonna read the SKU. Look here, everything look okay, the same. You're gonna read the SKU and write it back. So let's go ahead now and connect this one too. Here we have one problem. The customer brought this from the junkyard and he said that they tell him it's working. But if you look at this one is F series. And F series by the part number is 126. This. So I don't know if the same or not, but I'm gonna look for the wiring diagram to see the connection. Everything look the same or not? I don't believe so. No. With that, no, F26 is different. Let me see there. There's nothing there. It's not F26, the same one. So I'm gonna go back to the same. This is different, so I'm gonna go back to the same 26. No, the same E series. The same one. I'm gonna transfer the wires for it. No, I didn't choose the right way. This is 172. Let me close all this. Let me go to E series and go here. 124. I don't need the wiring diagram because I already have a computer here. I'm gonna transfer the same points here and then I will come. This is very simple, just disconnect them and put them together. Okay, so I have the ground here. I have the can high, can low bus here. You count from the here 1, 2, 3, 4, then 5 and 6. And now the same box, you have the power source. I already have the power source here. Get the one that it doesn't disturb you. The more different connector you have, the more easy for you to work. And guess what? There is some company that they make this click and go. You just clip it and that's it. So I'm gonna use this too. The first one, the same connector, number 1. That's wrong. Be sure. Now the second one, second row, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 4, 6. You see here? The second row. So hold the key and count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. See? That's 6. If you count from here, you're gonna get 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So now here we're done. We have 2 numbers again. So we're gonna have this one here. This is 1. No, that's why it is long. They added recently. So I'm gonna put this one. This one here is the last one on the right side. The right side and the right side, okay? Now, I have another one with it. This one here is the next box, second row, number second. You see here? Second row, number second. I believe I don't have nothing more. So let's go ahead and see if we'll be able to read. I forget to put the power on it. Be sure you put the power. You have to power it up. Okay. Don't let this touch. This is why if you can get a clip and go, it just go one time. It's go here, here, and here, one clips. So let me close this. And then I gotta go to read. If I'm not able to read, that means something wrong with this module. Maybe it's not. Maybe it's not the same. Let me see again. Say cannot communicate. I'm gonna review it again. It doesn't work. So this one here say is for F series. And F series reading is different. I will review the wiring diagram again and see what happened. Okay, the reason why I always say if you get a chance, get the connector and just connect it one time, because you have like, you're gonna get like 3 or 4 or 5 different connectors. It's better because any little bit of mistake, you may burn the computer or you may put it in the wrong place. I put it in the second line. It's supposed to be in the first line. So let's see now, and I want to be sure this is in the second line. Second line, second is good. This is the first line. So let me try again. I'm gonna get another one soon. I'm gonna get another computer, another camera, or I have to get a magnifier here. Read, entering factory. Yes, you see, I read it. I read it perfect. This is from the junkyard. It's not clear at all. I have to get another camera maybe. So now I'm gonna save this too. I'm gonna put junkyard. Okay, save. Now I'm gonna go load, original, open it. Now I'm gonna do one more. This one I will delete it. I put 0, 0. 1, 2, 3, or just 0. 0. I know it's not clear, but let me go here. This is better a little bit. Now what do you need to do? Right. See 87. supposed to read it, write it. Did you mess up everything? I don't believe so. Cannot communicate with the ECU. So let me go back, exit. I want to be sure everything is okay. Okay, I upload this one here and I was able to write it back 87, which is good. Now I'm going to read it. It's supposed to be 87, 6687. If I'm not able to read it, that means anytime you read, good, zero mileage, 100% complete, SN read write. So if it doesn't want to work, you may have to disconnect it anytime you read it. So now this computer here is comparable, it's ready to go. We're gonna plug it in, and what we're gonna do is we have to code it, and sometimes you need a complete programming. If it's from the same car, we just do the secret transfer. The car is supposed to start at least. Thank you for watching Mobile Electronic. Please subscribe, share, like, and see you in another video.